This is a 2007 Ford Expedition EL Limited. My intent was to, I'm doing some lighting upgrades, my intent was to actually upgrade this side view mirror signal marker with sequential lighting, and ordered a replacement for Amazon that supposedly was going to fit my car. It appeared when looking inside that the component that I purchased would be a perfect fit inside here, but it was not. In any case, I will still at least share how this, in order to get to this, if you ever need to replace it, first thing you need to do is you need to pop the mirror off. So I used my little hook devices from Harbor Freight. I will show you those here. These are just a couple dollars for a set of four. There's a straight one, a rounded hook, a flat hook, and then sort of a squiggly looking one. So I use these to go to the back of the mirror over here and gently tug on these little, I guess you call them hooks, which you can see right here. So there's four of them. I sort of tugged on two of them, gave the mirror a tug, tugged on, so essentially worked back and forth across the two that I could get from this side. Once you get those two, it pops off to the other direction, so you actually only have to worry about two sets of them, and then the mirror pops off. Once the mirror pops off, you then have to remove the screw, which, okay, this T10 screw, which goes right in here. Once you remove that T10 screw, you then just pop the little clip over here, and then this will come out. That's the plug for it. But as you can see, I purchased what appeared to be something that would go inside. Amazon sent me these, and they sent me these, which kind of looks like what's inside there, but clearly it was not something interchangeable, because this is a completely sealed component. So it looks like I will have to look for a replacement like this if I do want those sequentials. For the time being, just going to go back in, so big waste of time.